100, ciento, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1,000,000.
So notice that you can either have cien or ciento. It depends on the word that comes next. If you have a noun that comes after cien, you leave it cien. If it's just the number 100, you say ciento with nothing following it. And then the others, it's just like regular numbers, dos, tres, cuatro, and then add cientos to that number. But when you get to 500, it's a slightly different pronunciation and spelling. It's quinientos instead of cinco cientos, because that's too difficult to say. So quinientos. And then it follows the same pattern, seiscientos, the number 6 plus cientos. 700 is a little bit different because we say siete. This time you just say sete, and then add cientos. And finally, nove. Instead of nueve, we just say nove, and then cientos. 1000 is 1,000, and 1,000,000 is 1,000,000. So 1,000 pesos, 2,000 pesos, 1,000,000 pesos, 2,000,000 pesos. So do you see how this doesn't change 1000, but it stays 1000, you just put the number in front? Here it's slightly different. This is singular, but when you make it plural, you add an ES, drop the accent, and then you put the number before. So Spanish-speaking countries put a decimal point instead of a comma after numbers, and Spanish-speaking countries use kilos to weigh. Like, for example, if you were weighing tomatoes, they use kilos with a comma, and in the United States, we use pounds with a decimal point. That's because they use the metric system.
$1,492.
So if I were to draw that, I would say
1492. 1492.
Good. Let's try number 2.
1513.
1513.
1776.
Listen to that again.
1776. 1846.
Okay, so you get the idea. We'll have practice doing that tomorrow in class. And that is it. Help you to remember from Spanish 1, the early part of 7th grade. You learn the numbers 1 through 10, and then 11 through 20. And then you learned how to combine 20 with 20, to make 21. You combine 20 with uno, dos, tres. Okay? So if you need to refer to these numbers to make your flyer, the page number in the textbook is page 8, or I believe I listed them on the instruction sheet. So if I wanted to say something like 1,229, I would say 1229. Take a look at this activity. This would be 200, and you would say 200, 500, 500, 2000, 2000, 2 million, 2 millones. Or, yep, 2 millones. The present year, see if you can write this out as I say it. 2019. Well, obviously you know what year it is, so that should be easy.